Welcome. In today's video, we're walking through how to set the right swipe action to snooze in the Gmail app. If your inbox feels a little overwhelming and you want a quick way to deal with messages later, this simple update will make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust, just so everything saves correctly. Next, tap the menu icon, that's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up a side panel with a list of options. Now, scroll all the way down until you find Settings and tap on it. From there, choose General Settings. This section controls how Gmail behaves across all your accounts, not just one specific inbox. Inside the General Settings menu, look for Swipe Actions. Tap on that and you'll see two options. One for left swipe and one for right swipe. These determine what happens when you slide an email in either direction. Find the one labeled right swipe and tap on Change next to it. A small menu will appear with several options like Delete, Archive, and Snooze. To make the right swipe snooze emails instead of archiving or deleting them, simply select Snooze from the list. Once you've done that, Gmail automatically saves the change. You can exit the settings now and you're all set. From this point on, whenever you swipe right on an email, it will be snoozed. That means it disappears from your inbox and comes back later at a time you choose, keeping your inbox cleaner and helping you stay focused. And that's it. You've just customized your Gmail app to make managing emails a little bit easier. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give your inbox that fresh start today and enjoy a smoother, more organized email experience.